Hi, my name is Pablo Lugo, and I am going to present you the science cumulative evaluation, the correction of the third term. Food chain. A food chain is the flow of energy between organisms in a habitat. Each organism is divided in groups. The sun is the source of energy. The green plants are the producers because they produce their own food. The earthworms are the first level consumers because they eat the green plant. The small birds are the second level consumers because they eat the earthworm. The owls are the third level consumer because they eat the small birds. The vultures are the scavengers, and the fungi is the decomposer. Ozone layer. The ozone layer is a layer that is around the Earth and protect us from ultraviolet radiation. This ultraviolet radiation can make us cancer in the skin, and the ozone layer don't let the ultraviolet radiation pass. But chlorofluorocarbons is a substance used in aerosol sprays, air conditioners, refrigerators, refrigerators that were damaging the ozone layer. They were opening holes in the ozone layer, so the ultraviolet radiation was passing. The air pollution also damage the ozone layer. It can be produced by burning fossil fuels as coal, oil, and petrol. These add harmful gases to the atmosphere and produce air pollution. Renewable and non-renewable energies. In the planet exist renewable and non-renewable energies. The renewable energies are the energies that you can use one day and the other day you can use it again, like the wind energy, the solar energy, and the wave energy. The non-renewables are the ones that you use one day and you have to wait hundreds of years to have it again, like the fossil fuels like oil, petrol, and all of that. Hybrid. Hybrid is the result of a union of different species. For example, the mule. The mule is the result of a horse, the union of a horse with a donkey. This result is an unfertile organism. Plant kingdom. In the plant kingdom is composed by four groups. The conifers, they often have narrow leaves called needles. They don't have proper flowers. They reproduce using seeds. The seeds are produced inside cones. The angiosperms. These plants reproduce using seeds that are produced inside flowers. The mousses. These are very small plants. Most of them live in damp and shady places. They do not reproduce. They do not produce flowers. Instead, they use spores for reproduction. They have thin leaves that dry out easily. The ferns. These plants also like to grow in shady places, but they grow bigger because they have a vascular system. They don't produce flowers. They reproduce using spores that grow on the backs of the fronds. The animal kingdom. The animal kingdom is composed by four animals: the fish, the amphibians, the reptiles, the birds, and the mammals. The fish are vertebrates with fins. Their skin is covered by scales. They breathe using gills and they lay eggs in water. Amphibians. include frogs, toads, newts, and salamanders. The adults live on land and breathe using lungs. They have 4 limbs and lay eggs in water. The young develop in water where they breathe using gills. They have a smooth skin without it. The birds are the ones that have fins and fly, and they lay eggs on land. The mammals are the ones like in the is the group that the humans are they the mammals are vertebrates with hair. They reproduce and give food to their sons. Or yes. The perfect and imperfect flowers. In the plant kingdom exist perfect flowers and imperfect flowers. The perfect flowers are the ones that contain male structures and female structures, and the imperfect flowers are the ones that contain only one structure. It can be female or male. Parts of the flower. The flower have parts which each one have a function. The flower reproduction of the plant. The roots absorption of H2O and minerals. Leaves capture sunlight to perform photosynthesis. Thank you. This is my correction of the exam.